What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I had to roll up to the Family Dollar. Couldn't hold off no longer. Plus, they had a glitch today. I did put out a video earlier. I hope some of y'all was able to see it. That's why I tell you to turn on your post notifications and follow me on all social media platforms, because that P&G coupon where when you spend 20 you save 5, it was glitching and you can buy anything in the store. It didn't have to be P&G items for that $5 to come off. So yeah, you know, your girl went up to Family Dollar and I had to use that coupon because when there's a glitch going on, no telling how long it's gonna last, whatever the case may be. So some of so I just had to get to the Family Dollar, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before we get into these deals, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, now let's get into these deals, y'all, and quit playing. Let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all. First items on the list. Once I did this transaction, on the little thing, I was like, this was the first one that popped up in my mind at the Family Dollar, because I'm like, ooh, we get to save $5 and I get money back on Ibotta for doing this deal. So boom, I got the Purex. It was $14. We have a $2 digital coming off, making it $12. Submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you want to submit it to any grocery store on there, because Family Dollar does not have a store on Ibotta anymore. So you want to go to any grocery store and submit your Family Dollar receipt. So I got back $2 on Ibotta for this, making the final cost $10. Then I had picked up the Snuggle. It is $5. We had $1 off, making it $4. Get 75 cents back on Ibotta, making the final cost for this $3.25. Then on the Snuggle dryer sheets, they were $6. We had $1 off as well, making them $5. Get back $1 on Ibotta, making the final cost for these $4. Then on the soft scrub toilet care little block things, whatever, they were $3.75 each, so I picked up two that was $7.50. We have a $3 coupon coming off, making them $4.50. On Ibotta, they are giving you back $2.50, but you must buy two to get that $2.50 back, making both of these $2 are $1 each. So the total after all the coupons plus that 5 off for 20 coming off, the total was $20.50. I got back $6.25 from Ibotta, making a final cost for these items $14.25, are $2.85 each. So y'all, I paid $2 for this big, humongous thing of Purex. Look how big this thing is. Humongous. The camera's not doing this thing no justice. And plus, on top of that, I got back 1,785 points on Fetch. So, and I think it was for this Purex. But I will be inserting the Fetch thing so y'all can see what's going on. But that's the first transaction. And then I stumbled upon some clearance items. So, you know, I got to show y'all those. It's not that many, but still, the clearance is clearancing at Family Dollar. Now, before I show y'all the clearance items too, I wanted to show y'all where it says smart coupon $5. So that $5 is coming off for that coupon. I don't know. It's always something with Family Dollar and their coupons glitching, but you gotta catch them when you catch them. But clearance items, these pajamas right here, and it has the black dot on them, and they were originally $14. These were $1.98, y'all. $1.98. Then this blanket right here, it was $3.47, and here's what the towel looks like. I meant the tag. I said the towel, and it was originally $15. A shaggy throw, and it was cute for it's cute for real, and it's thick and it's pretty big. It's not like those little normal little throws or whatever, but yeah, y'all, those are the clearance items that I found as well, and they are not ringing up on the app. So if you do stumble upon these, you want to get a cashier to scan them for you. But don't wait too long, because items like this will be gone. And they had two of these. So I was with my friend. She got the other one. And they had two of these. And my friend got the other one of those. So now there's no more left, except like a couple of other little blankets or whatnot. And they also have toys on clearance as well. So be on the lookout for those, because Easter's coming up, and it'll make great toys to go in Easter baskets. So be on the lookout for those. So let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is the second transaction, and these kids are crazy, y'all. I had 2 bags of chips, so we gonna pretend like it's 2 bags of chips. If I wait too long, do my videos, y'all, they steal my products. But the Pepsi brand pops are 3 for 15. So I had got strawberry, grape, and starry. And then Lay's, they were $3.50 each. Got 2 bags of those. So the total was $22. That $5 came off, making the final total for this stuff $17, y'all. Cannot beat that at all. In some states, I know the total for this stuff would be $16, I think. I don't know. I think so, because I think I seen somebody else do this deal, and they said theirs was 16, but I don't know. I know mine's was $17 even. Here is my receipt right here, and the little pink star is where the $5 smart coupon came off at. The PNG one that was glitching. So that's that, and I got 2 more transactions to show y'all, and hopefully this coupon is still working by the time y'all see this video, so y'all can run to Family Dollar and tap into this glitch. Okay, y'all, here is my third transaction, and I don't really like the total on this transaction, but I'm just showing y'all about this coupon that's glitching. But let's get into the transaction, and plus, like, when you getting rides from other people and they rushing through the store and all of that and sitting in the car and all, it just throws my game off. But this purchase right here, I know could have been a little better, maybe if I left an item or two off, but it is what it is, and I'm here to show y'all the deal, good or bad. Okay, on the Mr. Clean Y'all Day, I basically buy one, get one free. We have a $6 coupon coming off. They are $6.35 each, totaling $12.70. We have that $6 coming off, making them $6.70 or $3.35 each. The gain liquid is the 32 loads. It is $6. We had $1 coming off, making it 5. The gain flings 14 count was $4.90. we had $1 off, making it $3.90. And these two, the beads, Happy Beads and Happy detergent, and it's 61 loads. It was $10.50 each. So the total after coupons and that $5 coming off was $31.60. And I'm gonna show y'all where the $5 came off. And like I said, y'all, the 5 was coming off for basically everything in the store. Ooh, my light is so bright. What's going on? Okay, where's it at? The smart coupon is right there, if you can see it, where I put the little mark at. But that's where the $5 came off. And like I said, I could have left some stuff off, but hey, it is what it is. So let's get into the very last transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction. And okay, the tide was $10.50. The gain flings was $14.25. And y'all, this was not the original transaction. I did have to switch some stuff around because the $5 would not come off. And basically the I had got the $21 Tide. It's the big one with the handle, and it was downy, and I didn't have these game flings, so I had the big Tide and this, and then those two clearance items I showed y'all. But the $5 would not come off, and I think it was because of that Tide. So kind of be careful of some of the items that you pick up, and even if you scan them, that $5 off a $20 coupon, I mean, yeah, the 5 off a 20 coupon will not pop up to show y'all if it's the right item or not. So you gotta make sure when you are doing your transaction at the register. Now, back to the top prices. These Gain dryer sheets was $5.80. Red Bull was $3.10. And I forgot I did get my grandson a toy that was on clearance. It's some kind of little Fisher Price. It says laugh and learn, play along earbuds, and they were $4. And they just do little stuff like that, sing and light up. And then I had got that blanket for $3.47 and those pajamas for $1.98. So the total for all of those items was $38.10. Here's my receipt. Here's the $5 that came off. And here's the $1.98 for the pajama set. $3.47 for the blanket, and the $4 for the little toy that was on clearance. But yeah, y'all, that was the end of my transactions. And like I said, I hope y'all catch that coupon while it is doing the G word. Because none of the employees seemed to know nothing about it. They was just scanning the stuff. $5 was coming right off for each transaction that I did. So like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.